When there is no enemy within, the enemies without can do us no harm. If there is a future, there is time for mending. Time to see your troubles coming to an ending. Life is never hopeless, however great your sorrow. If you're looking forward to a new tomorrow. If there's time for wishing, then there's time for hoping. When through doubt and darkness you are blindly groping, though the heart be heavy and hurt you may be feeling, if there is time for praying, there is time for healing. Sometimes we look behind for the past, the mistakes, the bad memories. So we work on ourselves day and night, trying to run away from them, but to no avail. We keep on falling down again and again, and thinking, what have we done? Wishing and hoping that the time will reverse itself, so that the past may be in front of us and we can make amends. One thing that we learn from the nature is this: the past is gone, and the future is yet uncertain. Forget about the past. Don't worry about the future. Just live in the moment. Be aware of your own self. Be aware of your own thoughts that pass like a cloud. Your thoughts are not you, and you are not your own thoughts. And the nature teaches you about this fact. We can learn the truth from nature. After all, it is the creation of God.